So we're here at Qualcomm and you're launching the 805.
Yes, we're here at CES and for the first time we're demonstrating Snapdragon 805. So really excited about that new processor. So here we're doing a specific demonstration. You know, the key features within Snapdragon 805 are, one of them was tied to video processing. So we're doing some new things with video here, where for the first time, this is Ultra HD, and we're doing it, the processing with HEVC, which is H.265, which is a brand new video compression. So really excited about that, because that's really going to do half the file size, so really tied to the bit rate and making it much better. And then other big things we're also doing here is Dash, which is a new streaming protocol, so you're getting to use that. That's an industry standard.
Is it industry standard for streaming 4K?
Yes.
Or only HEVC?
No, Dash is just a streaming standard. There's a separate, HEVC is a different protocol, right? So these are multiple different functions. We have HEVC, which is video compression. We have Ultra HD, which is the video resolution. And then we also have Dash, which is the streaming technology needed so that you can keep this. So we are streaming this live, so we're actually using 11 AC. So for the first time over Wi-Fi, really fast speed. So what you're actually seeing as you watch this video is it's really pretty clear. So a lot of times when you're streaming videos over the internet, you see jagged and things, and this is where you can really see this is smooth. And Ultra HD are big files, and so that whole mix together.
Low bandwidth, Ultra HD, and this is 4K external output, and it could be on display also?
Yes, so one other big feature on Snapdragon 805 processors is that it's an end-to-end solution. So 805 supports not only capture and playback, but also display resolution. Here we've got a 2K display, but there's no reason this couldn't be a 4K display. We are outputting to a 4K display, so we can do all that.
Potentially larger tablets come out with 4K.
Yeah, and not only with that, then you can also do gaming at 4K, or you can do UIs at 4K. So Ultra HD really is going to be great.
Is this also the 805 right here?
No, this is not.
So this is a 4G LTE?
Yes, this is showing off. No, this is showing off LTE and carrier aggregation.
All right. So what are you showing here?
So this again is Snapdragon 805. I'm really excited about the new GPU that's in there. It's called Adreno 420, and it's 40% more powerful than the previous generation in Snapdragon 800. So really showing off that it has some new capabilities. So all of these across the bottom are Snapdragon 805. And so the big ones, as you start to look, is really, here we're showing off the value of hardware testing. So for the first time we're offering up new ways to do details. We can say and look at the back of the Hornet and all the details you can really get. In just a second it's going to switch, I think, I don't know, let's see if I can find that piece.
Is it using OpenGL? What kind of technologies are in there?
This is using DX11, so hardware tessellation is really important for that. We're working closely with OpenGL and trying to get that transferred into so that we'll have that same...
DX, no? That's much more advanced than before. Was it DX9 before, or what was before?
So DX11 is the first time Qualcomm supporting that piece. Really not so focused on that piece. We really were, this is whether it's Android or whatever format, it's really about the capability that we're talking about here and how the geometry and quality is really going to make graphics so much better.
And so all different kinds of game demos?
Yes.
So 40% faster. Is there also a way to use the GPU for compute? GPU compute support?
So yes, we have some demonstrations that are what we call GPU. We don't have them here at this show, but yes, there's a lot of things you can do beyond just gaming with the graphics, with the processor, with the GPU.